It's a great day for some baseball.
Thanks for being here. Did you guys get shirts? There you go. You got it. Hello, sir. Good to see you.
When you can get pilots together like this and talk freely, you get a lot better information. And what better place to do it than 70 to 80 degree weather at a baseball game?
Perfect location, and you can't beat the view of Mount Rainier right there.
And you know where we are. We're on like the third baseline.
We're here to help build unity between the pilot groups and enjoy some baseball with our families.
Do you like baseball?
Yeah.
This one's for you. Oh my goodness, thank you.
These opportunities and Surf to Summit in general, it's super important to get the pilot groups, the families together to exchange ideas and make a much more informed decision about where we want to go.
Get some swag, dude. Well, it's really important to reach some of our pilots that don't live in base. It's a really good opportunity to get out in front of all the Alaska and Hawaiian pilots.
We're all going to really end up flying together. It's important that we get all this stuff right.
Thanks, buddy.
Just getting the pilot with the negotiator at the same place just to answer all the questions, because this is our union. These events do a great job.
Are you having fun today?
Yes.
I think we have a lot of commonalities between the two pilot groups and a lot of potential success for the two to build upon.
Not just the pilots, but also the families, to hear firsthand beyond what you'd get in a survey or a poll.
It can be isolating with our spouses flying so much. It's nice that they plan these events for families, spouses, be around fellow people that get it.
In the airline industry, you don't necessarily see your coworkers every day or get to meet their families very often, so having events like this is really nice to feel a little bit more included in the whole process.
Do you like coming here to see your daddy's pilot friends?
Yeah.
We're here and we're not divisible is the most important thing.
I want pilots to know that we are available, that we are here, that we are listening.
We have to build what we want for our future, and this is where that starts, is right here.
Please come out. Please come to the events. The events are fun. You get to engage, meet other pilots, and let your voice be heard.
Is there anything else